Varunda. Today I am starting next concept, that is dividing polynomials. Dividing polynomials. Dividing polynomials. How to derive these dividing polynomials? I will take one number, that the given number that I will take 25, 25 that I will take. This way how to written as 8 into 3 plus 1. Observe. 8 3 is 24 plus 1. They will become. Okay, when it is of the form, what we have to written means 8 is divisible by 25 means 8 3 is 24, then remaining is 1. That I will write 25 must be equal to 8 into 3 plus 1. That I will write this one. 25 that I have written as 8 into 3 plus 1. That is 8 3 is 24 plus 1. I will take one more also. That is 17 will take. What I have to write 17? Okay, here. That I have to written as 4 into 4 plus 1. Observe in this one, 4 4 16, 16 plus 1 becomes 17. That means 4 is divisible by 17 means 4 4 16, the remainder is 1. Here, what I have to write means 17 that must be equal to 4 into 4 plus 1. That I will write here. By using division algorithm, formula is there. When the given fraction of the form, p of x by q of x, when the given fraction of the form p of x by q of x, that means q of x is divided a polynomial. P of x means that I will write in this one, q of x is divided by p of x. q of x p of x డివైడ్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ వచ్చే వాల్యూ ఏమంటారంటే I will take f of x by g of x will take, then sorry, f of x by g of x will take, that means g of x will divided f of x, g of x will divided f of x. Here the given value that becomes the value is r of x. G of x into r of x, something value is known, then remaining value that is known as remainder of x. Remainder of x, where here given f of x is known as dividend. After g of x is known as divisor. After q of x answer, this is nothing but q of x answer a. This is not a r of x, this is equal q of x, where q of x is must be a quotient. After finally one thing, r of x is a remainder. R of x is a remainder. You'll observe in this one where the given f of x that I will write f of x must be written as మనకి f of x వాల్యూ కావాలి అంటే కన్నా g of x ని q of x తో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేసి ఫైనల్ గా r of x ను యాడ్ చేయాలి. దట్ ఐ విల్ రైట్ f of x is equal to g of x into q of x. After I will write plus r of x. What I have to write in this one means f of x is must be equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Okay, another way how to write or what is meant by f of x means when f of x is a dividend that I will write dividend is must be equal to where g of x is a divisor into after q of x is the quotient that I will write quotient plus where r of x is a remainder where r of x is a remainder that I will write dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is division algorithm. This is division algorithm. Once again I will explain this one. F of x by g of x, that means g of x is divided by f of x. That I will write g of x, this is q of x, and something I will write this is r of x, where f of x is must be take dividend. After that g of x is must be take divisor, q of x is take quotient, r of x will take remainder. That I will write f of x is must be equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x, where f of x is dividend. After that g of x is divisor, q of x is quotient, r of x is remainder. That I will write dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the most important formula useful in exercise 2.4 problems are also. How to write very neatly in your notebook. Enter this formula in your notebook. Okay, Nana, I am going to next to do this. What is asking in this? Do this. Please do this. The first one is divide 3y cube plus 2y square plus y by y and write division fact. After the second one is divide 4y square, so I'm sorry, 4p square plus 2p plus 2 by 2b and write division fact. We'll observe here given one is 3y cube plus 2y square plus y is divided by y, where divided the variable only one term, that when it is a monomial. When the given term is monomial means directly divided the given polynomial. That I will write 3y cube plus 2y square plus y is divided by y. That I will write this one 3y cube plus 2y square plus y by the denominator is y. Observe. Is divided by y means each coefficient can divided by y, and I will write 3y cube by y. After that 2y square by y, finally y by y. Y and y cube will be cancelled and remaining is 2. And y is y square will be cancelled, y and y will be cancelled and remaining is 3y square plus 2y plus 1. Now I am going to second one, that is 4p square plus 2p plus 2 is divided by 2. 4p square plus 2p plus 2 is divided by 2p, that I will write 4p square plus 2p plus 2 by the denominator must be like 2p. That I will write in this one where 4p square by 2b I will write. After that 2b by 2b, finally we have to write 2 by 2b. You'll observe here 2 ones, 2 2's will be cancelled. After that p and b square will be cancelled. 2b and 2b will be cancelled. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. The remaining is 2b plus 1 plus 1 by p. This is the given polynomial. By using division fact. Okay, now I am going to example 6. Divide 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1. Yeah, we will observe in this one. If you take, I will take this one. First let f of x is must be take 3x square plus x minus 1. After I will take g of x is must be take x plus 1. This is the both values of f of x and g of x. Okay, here g of x is consist of two terms. When given polynomial has two terms means when it is a binomial. When it is a monomial means it has only one term. When it is a monomial means directly by using division factor method. When it is not a monomial, when it is a binomial means by using division algorithm. By using division algorithm. By using division algorithm, we get where g of x is must be divided with f of x. Then I will write x plus 1 is divided by 3x square plus x minus 2. This is for upward. Here we will observe. I will take only this coefficient. This coefficient is x. Then the given term is 3x square. And it must be take 3x square means given term can multiply by 3x. First now I am multiplied by 3x. చూడండి నా x plus 1 కాకుండా ఓన్లీ x తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ లో ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ లో చెక్ చేసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ x ఉంది ఇక్కడ 3x స్క్వేర్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ x ఉంది ఇక్కడ 3x స్క్వేర్ ఉంది దీనికి ఈక్వల్ గా రావాలి అంటే ఈ x ను ఈ 3x స్క్వేర్ తో సారీ ఈ x ను 3x స్క్వేర్ వచ్చే విధంగా మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి మనకు కావాల్సిన వాల్యూ 3x స్క్వేర్ మనకు కావాల్సిన వాల్యూ 3x స్క్వేర్ ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ విల్ అబ్జర్వ్ కావాల్సిన టర్మ్ 3x స్క్వేర్ విల్ అబ్జర్వ్ ఇన్ దిస్ వన్ but in the first term has the x there ఏ నెంబర్ తో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేస్తే 3x స్క్వేర్ వస్తుందో దాన్ని బ్రాకెట్ లో తీసుకోండి అంటే I will multiply 3x into x that I will write 3x square. Okay, first step can multiply by 3x. That means these 3x can multiply by both the that I will write 3x into x plus 1. 3x into x plus 1. So how to write the first one can multiplied by 3x. These 3x can multiplied by this term. I will write x plus 1. That means x plus 1 is can multiplied by 3x. After that I will write 3x into x that I will write x square plus 3x into 1 that I have to write 3x. Here 3x will be taken. Here 3x will be taken. There is no need to write in this one. This is the given term that I will write 3x square plus 3x. Then by using the symbol minus plus 3x square and minus 3x square will be cancelled. After that x minus 3x that I will write minus 2x minus 1. We will take this term. What is this given term? I will take minus 2x. Given term is minus 2x. Minus 2x కావాలి ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ x ఉంది కదా and the given first term is x. ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ x ఉంది కాబట్టి దేంతో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేస్తే minus 2x వస్తుంది అంటే this we have to multiply by minus 2. That I will become minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Given term there. That means second step can operated by minus 2. That means here minus 2 can multiplied by entire term that I will write minus 2 into x plus 1 that I will write minus 2 into x becomes minus 2x. After plus into minus 2 1 are 2. What we have to write in this one means minus 2x minus 2 by using the symbol plus. After that this is also plus minus 2x and plus 2x will be cancelled. Minus 1 plus 2 will become 1. If the degree of x is 1, there is no x coefficient, then given division algorithm will be completed. Why? Because of ikkada divisor kante divisor x plus 1 unte ఇక్కడ వచ్చే డివిడెండ్ లో ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ టర్మ్ ఉన్నా ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ ఉన్నా ఎక్స్ పవర్ 4 ఉన్నా లేదా ఎక్స్ టర్మ్ ఉన్నా చేయొచ్చు ఇక్కడ వచ్చే వాల్యూస్ లో. ఓకే, ఎక్స్ టర్మ్ ఇక్కడ ఉండి ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ టర్మ్ కంటే తక్కువ, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కాన్స్టెంట్ టర్మ్ ఉంటే చేసేదానికి పాసిబిలిటీ ఉండదు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈ యొక్క డివైజర్ లో ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 1 ఉంది, కోషియంట్ లో ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 1 ఉంటే డివిజన్ డస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. Division does not possible. What is the reason means? Your given degree is 1, your given degree is your given degree is 2, your given degree is 1. That means highest degree are consistent divisor, lowest degree are consistent dividend. Okay, dividend is less than divisor, the division fact does not possible. The division fact does not possible. అయితే మనం చేసింది కరెక్ట్ కాదో చెక్ చేసుకున్నామన్నా. Once again we have to check it in this one. Check. Already we'll take f of x and the g of x. After we'll take this is for q of x. This is for r of x. What is the division algorithm formula means? F of x is must be written as g of x into q of x plus r of x. I will write this one, where f of x is must be written as 3x square plus x minus 1 is equal to, what about the value of g of x means, where given g of x is x plus 1, after that q of x is must be take 3x minus 2, finally r of x is 1. That means x can multiply by both of them, that means x into 3x minus 2. After that 1 into 3x minus 2 plus 1 we will write x into 3x, that way how to write 3x square minus 2 into x is minus 2x, 1 into 3x is 3x, plus into minus minus 1 into 2 2, 1 into 1 become 1. That I will written as 3x square plus 3x minus 2x, that will become x, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Both LHS and RHS will be equal given division fact is exactly correct. This is the process of division algorithm. Okay, Rana, now I am going to example 7. This is most important for formulas. Divide the polynomial 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 and verify the remainder. Verify the remainder with 0 of the divisor. Zero of the divisor. Listen, this is most important. First, I will take divide means here the highest degree polynomial will take f of x, the lowest degree polynomial will take g of x. Okay, first I will write f of x. మనం f of x వాల్యూ రాసుకునేటప్పుడు ఇచ్చిన పాలినామియల్ యొక్క డిగ్రీస్ ఆర్డర్ లో ఉన్నాయో లేవో చూసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ చూడండి అన్న, హైయెస్ట్ డిగ్రీ 4 ఉంది, నెక్స్ట్ 3 ఉంది, 2 లేదు. ఎప్పుడైతే డిగ్రీ అక్కడ లేకుండా ఉంటుందో దాని ప్లేస్ లో 0 తీసుకోవాలి. దట్ ఐ విల్ రైట్ వాడి యాక్చువల్ గా ఇచ్చిన పాలినామియల్ 2x పవర్ 4 మైనస్ 4x క్యూబ్ మైనస్ 3x మైనస్ 1. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే హైయెస్ట్ డిగ్రీ 4 ఉంది, నెక్స్ట్ 3 ఉంది, 2 లేదు, నెక్స్ట్ 1 ఉంది, కాన్స్టెంట్ ఉంది. 2 లేదు కాబట్టి దాన్ని నేను ఏం రాస్తానంటే 2x పవర్ 4 మైనస్ 4x క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ 0 into x square minus 3x minus 1. ఒకవేళ వాడు f of x అనేది ఈ విధంగా ఇచ్చాడనుకో, x power 5 plus x cube plus 1 అని ఇచ్చాడనుకో, where the highest degree is 5, 4 not there, I have to write 4, that I will write x power 5 plus 0 into x power 4, 3 there, that I will write x cube. There is no square coefficient, again that I will write 0 into x square. There is no x coefficient also, again that I have to write as 0 into x plus 1. Here given terms are 4, 3 and the constant. Not there terms are x power 4, x square, x. These terms that I have to write as 0 into x power 4, 0 into x square, 0 into x, and I will write. And again one thing I have to take, next one is I will take g of x is x minus 1. Divide means by using division algorithm. By using division algorithm we get division algorithm. Division algorithm means where g of x is must be divided f of x, that I will write x minus 1 is divided with 2x power 4 minus 4x cube plus 0 into x square minus 3x minus 1. అన్నా మీరు కేర్ఫుల్ గా చూడాల్సింది ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ మీరు రాసుకునే డిగ్రీల ఆర్డర్ లో గిన లేకపోతే చేసే ప్రాబ్లం కన్ఫర్మ్ తప్పు అవుతుంది. 4 ఉండాలి, నెక్స్ట్ 3 ఉండాలి, 2 ఉండాలి, x యొక్క డిగ్రీ 1 ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ కాన్స్టెంట్. డిగ్రీస్ అనేది కంపల్సరీగా ఆర్డర్ లో ఉండాలి, లేకపోతే మాత్రం మీరు ప్రాబ్లం చేసినా కానీ అది రాంగ్ అవుతుంది. ఇలా చేసిన తర్వాత మీరు ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఏం చేయాలంటే మీరు ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ చేయాల్సింది ఏంటంటే నాన్న, ఇక్కడ టోటల్ వాల్యూ ఎంత ఉందో ఇక్కడ రాసుకోండి. దట్ ఇస్ ద టోటల్ వాల్యూ మస్ట్ బి టేక్ 2x పవర్ 4. Here ఇచ్చిన పాలినామియల్ యొక్క డివిడెండ్ లో హైయెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఎంత ఉందో ఇక్కడ రాసుకోండి. ద హైయెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఇస్ 2x పవర్ 4. 2x పవర్ 4 అనేది హైయెస్ట్ వాల్యూ అయితే డివైజర్ లో దిస్ ఇస్ ద డివైజర్. డివైజర్ లో ఉండే ఫస్ట్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ మాత్రమే రాసుకోండి. డివైజర్ లో ఉండే ఫస్ట్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఏంటంటే x. x కూడా రాశాను. నా దగ్గర x ఉంది. 2x పవర్ 4 కావాలంటే రిమైనింగ్ ఎంత తక్కువ ఉంటుందో దాన్ని ఇక్కడ రాసుకోండి. రిమైనింగ్ ఎంత తక్కువ ఉంటుందో దాన్ని ఇక్కడ రాసుకోండి. రిమైనింగ్ తక్కువ ఉండేది ఏంటంటే 2x క్యూబ్. 2x క్యూబ్. The first one is 2x power 4 there. 2x power 4 లో ఇక్కడ ఉండేది x. రిమైనింగ్ 2x పవర్ 4 కావాలంటే మనకు కావాల్సిన వాల్యూ ఎంతంటే నాన్న 2x క్యూబ్ కావాలి. 2x క్యూబ్. ఏదైతే వాల్యూ కావాలో ఆ వాల్యూ దట్ ఈస్ ద గివెన్ వాల్యూ. మనకు కావాల్సింది 2x క్యూబ్. ఆ 2x క్యూబ్ అనే నెంబర్ ను ఈ యొక్క డివైజర్ టోటల్ తో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయాలా. 2x cube into x minus 1 that I will write. X cube into x that I will write 2x power 4 plus into minus becomes minus 2x cube into 1 that I will write 2x cube. ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే మనము బ్రాకెట్ లో తీసుకున్నామో ఆ వాల్యూని ఇక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూ 2x cube. ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన వాల్యూను ఇక్కడ రాసుకోవాలా. ఏమొచ్చిందంటే 2x పవర్ 4 minus 2x cube. I have to change the symbols. This is for minus. Minus becomes plus. Plus 2x power 4 minus 2x power 4 will be cancelled. Then remaining terms I will write. Then remaining terms minus 4x cube plus 2x cube that I will write minus 2x cube plus 0 into x square minus 3x minus 1. Again same process will take. ఇక్కడ ఉండే ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ని ఇక్కడ రాస్తాం. What is the first term means minus 2x cube there. minus 2x cube అనేది ఉంది కదా. మనకు ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఏముందంటే x ఉంది. దట్ ఐ విల్ రైట్ x. minus 2x cube కావాలి అంటే మన దగ్గర ఉండే x తో ఏం మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేస్తే వస్తుంది అంటే minus 2x square. minus 2x square మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేస్తే minus 2x cube వస్తుంది. అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. plus into minus that will become minus 2 ones 2 x into x square that will become x cube. Okay, that means given minus 2x square can multiply by the both terms that I will write minus 2x square into x minus 1 will be written as plus into minus that will become minus plus into minus that will become minus. What's this there? Minus 2x square is multiplied by x minus 1 that I will write plus into minus minus 2x square into x that I will write x cube. After that minus into minus plus 2x square into 1 that must to be 2x square. ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే బ్రాకెట్ లో ఉండే వాల్యూ ఆ వాల్యూని ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. the given value is minus 2x square we will write. ఇక్కడ ఉండే వాల్యూ కింద రాయండి. ఇక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే minus 2x cube. After that plus 2x square. We have to change the symbols. That is this is plus. After this is minus. Both will be cancelled. 0x square minus 2x square, that I will write minus 2x square minus 3x minus 1. Again, I have to write the biggest term. That is the biggest term is minus 2x square. I have to write minus 2x square. I have to write. That means minus 2x square. Here, the first term will become x. Minus 2x square రావాలంటే ఈ టర్మ్ దేంతో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయాలి అంటే కన్నా minus 2x తో చేయాలి. Plus into minus minus 2x into x, that I will write 2x square. Then entire term can multiply by minus 2x into x minus 1. That means minus 2x square. Will observe minus into minus becomes plus 2x into 1 is 2x. ఇక్కడ బ్రాకెట్ లో ఉండే వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ రాస్తే this is minus 2x. ఇక్కడ ఉండే వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ రాయాలి కదా, that is given value is minus 2x square. After that plus 2x. The symbols will be changed. This is plus. After that this is minus. Both will be cancelled. Plus and minus. You'll observe in this one. Minus 3x minus 2x, that I will write minus 5x minus 1. Again we have to write the highest term, where the highest term is minus 5x. In the given fraction x there, 5x రావాలి అంటే దీన్ని minus 5 తో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది కదా. That is entire polynomial can multiply by minus 5 into x minus 1, that I will write minus 5x. Minus into minus, that will become plus. 5 into 1 is 5. ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన వాల్యూ అక్కడ రాస్తాను, that is the value minus 5. Here I have to write minus 5x minus plus 5. Symbols will be changed. Plus, after that this is minus. Both will be cancelled. Minus 1 minus 5, that must be written as minus 6. There is no chance to solve this problem. Why? Because this is a constant term. This is a constant term. This is a constant term means there is no variables. It has variable. It has variable. There is no variable in this term means this is the biggest term of remainder. Comparing remainder and divisor. In this situation, comparing divisor and remainder, divisor is more than remainder, then problem will stop. Problem will stop. This is the process. Okay, where what is the remainder means, where r of x, that I will take minus 6. In this given problem, what is asked? Verify the remainder with 0 of the divisor. Verify the remainder with 0 of the divisor. We have to check it. 0 of the divisor means we will take the smallest term. That means g of x is must be take 0. That I will write. X minus 1 is must be equal to 0. That is x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, substituting in the equation. I will write in this place. There is no enough space. Where r of x is must be take minus 6. You will observe. We have to check it. Verify the remainder with the 0 of divisor. That I will make. There g of x is must be take 0. Where the given g of x is must be take x minus 1 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 1. That what I have to write means x is equal to 1, substituting in f of x. f of x అనే ఈక్వేషన్ లో x is equal to 1 ను సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే అక్కడ సేమ్ రిమైండర్ -6 వస్తే మనం చేసిన ప్రాబ్లమ్ కరెక్ట్ by using the method remainder with zero of device. Otherwise, the given problem is wrong. We have to check it. F of x is given in this problem 2x over 4 minus 4x cubed plus 0 into x square minus 3x minus 1 will take minus 3x minus 1 will take, where x will be take 1, that I will write f of 1 equal to 2 into 1 power 4 minus 4 into 1 cube plus 0 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 minus 1. Will observe 1 power 4, that must be 1, 2 into 1 will become 2 minus 4, 0 into any value 0 minus 3 minus 1. Will observe 2 minus 4 minus 4, that will become minus 8, 2 minus 8 will become minus 6. That must be f of 1 is equal to minus 8 when it is satisfies the same remainder. When it is satisfies the same remainder. This is asked in this given problem. This is for the upper. How to write very neatly. Okay, now I am going to the next one. That is example 8, right? Find the remainder when x cube plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. Here two polynomials are given. One is x cube plus 1, another one is x plus 1. Highest degree will take f of x. Here the highest degree is 3, and I will take f of x. Let f of x is must be take x cube plus 1. After will take the lowest degree will take g of x. That means g of x must be take x plus 1. Find the remainder when x cube plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. It is possible. Why? Because of I will take let g of x is must be take 0. G of x is must be take 0. whatever the value of g of x means x plus 1 is must be take 0. ఇదే ప్రాసెస్ ఎందుకు చేయాలి అంటే ప్రాబ్లం లో వాడు డివైడ్ అని అడగలేదు. వాడు ప్రాబ్లం లో డివైడ్ అని అడిగితే డివిజన్ అల్గారిథం మెథడ్ లో చేయాలి, లేకుంటే ఈ ప్రాసెస్ లో అయినా చేయొచ్చు. వాడు ఏమడిగిందంటే ఫైండ్ ద రిమైండర్, ఈ రెండు పాలినామియల్స్ నుంచి రిమైండర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమని అంతే. ఓకే, x plus 1 is must be take 0, that is x is equal to -1. This is my equation number 1. Will take x is equal to -1, substituting in equation 1. Equation 1. What is the equation 1 means? Where f of x is must be take x cube plus 1. Whatever the value of x means, where x is -1, f of -1 that I will take -1 whole cube plus 1. That means f of -1 is equal to -1 plus 1, both will be cancelled. F of -1 is equal to 0. That is remainder r of x will take 0. This is the value of the given remainder. That is remainder r of x is 0. That is asking in this given problem. And also one thing is asked, find the remainder. When find the remainder, x cube plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. x cube plus 1 అనేది x plus 1 తో డివైడ్ అవుతుందా కాదా అని అడుగుతుంది. దీనికి ఒక స్టేట్మెంట్ I will write, where r of x is equal to 0. ఎప్పుడైతే రిమైండర్ అనేది is equal to 0 అవుతుందో, ఎప్పుడైతే రిమైండర్ అనేది is equal to 0 అవుతుందో, okay, given polynomial f of x is divided by g of x. That means what by how to write means x cube plus 1 is divided by x plus 1, where r of x is equal to 0. The remainder is must be 0. X cube plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. This is for example. Students, now I am going to example 9. Check whether x minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 4. Check whether x minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 4. Then the biggest polynomial that I will take f of x, where f of x must be take x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 4. Later it must take the smallest value, will take g of x. G of x is equal to x minus X minus 2 is a factor of given one means that I will take if g of x is must be take 0. This is my equation number 1. Where the given g of x is x minus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2, substituting in equation 1, then that implies we have to replace x with 2. That I will write f of 2 is equal to 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 4 will take 2 cube is must be take 8 minus 2 into 2 square will be take 4 5 2 10 plus 4 that means 8 minus 8 minus 10 plus 4 plus 8 and minus 8 will be cancelled. Remaining is minus 6. F of 2 is equal to minus 6. Where minus 6 is a remainder. So, remainder R of x will take minus 6. So, remainder R of x will take minus 6. Remainder is must be 0 means remainder is must be 0 means x minus 2 is a factor of given polynomial. Okay, given remainder is nothing to 0, nothing but 0. Nothing but 0 means here will take minus 6. Okay, given polynomial remainder is not is equal to 0. Not is equal to 0 means that I will write that is x minus 2 is not a factor of x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 4. When the given remainder is equal to 0 means given one is a factor of given polynomial. Okay, students, see you next class.